I have here in front of me Blackstone's new D-0G Goalie Dryer. With this machine, we're able to dry chest plate, helmet, as well as arms and elbow pads, and your gloves, as well as your neck guard has a hook on the back. With this machine, we have the capability of drying our equipment within intermission, allowing equipment managers to focus on other tasks while the equipment is drying. We offer this machine in 110 and 220 versions. With the 110 version, you're able to move it from room to room using that normal plug that's in that room. The 220, you need a specialized plug, but it offers a lot more heat capacity, which allows you to dry the equipment faster. For loading the equipment onto the D-0G, we're going to start with our chest protector. We take our chest protector and put it over top like that. From the sides, we take our arms, slide it over. Making sure that this isn't slipping down, tuck it up, making sure the sides are wrapped around. We're going to take our gloves, put them over, finished off the helmet. For removing the equipment, start with the helmet, go backwards, and you'll notice how much drier the equipment is. You'll see that the holes are designed to target the wrists as well as the fingers. Another amazing thing about this machine is the footprint. It's very small, able to fit in a locker room very easily. It is also an amazing spot for the locker room as it is so quiet. You may or may not have noticed that it's been running this whole time.